As a registered nurse, I have cared for many patients living with kidney disease. One of the most important aspects of my role has been patient education, especially when preparing individuals for discharge. The truth is, understanding how to protect your kidneys is just as important for those without active kidney disease as it is for those already diagnosed. Today, I'm going to share practical, evidence-based strategies to help you boost kidney health and reduce your risk of complications. Remember the old saying, prevention is better than cure. By making small, intentional changes now, you can protect your kidneys and safeguard your health for years to come. In this video, I'll guide you through 12 of the best foods and drinks that support kidney health and 7 simple lifestyle habits that will help you maintain strong, healthy kidneys for life. Let's begin with the foods and drinks that research has shown can protect and support kidney function. Number 1. Water. Hydration is the foundation of kidney health. Adequate water intake helps your kidneys flush waste and prevents kidney stones. Think of water as your kidney's best friend. Number 2. Lemon water or citrus juices. Lemons contain citrate, which helps reduce the risk of kidney stones. Starting your morning with a glass of lemon water is a simple way to give your kidneys extra support. Number 3. Cranberry juice. Known for helping prevent urinary tract infections, cranberry juice protects your kidneys from bacterial stress. Always choose unsweetened versions to avoid excess sugar. Number 4. Beet juice. Beets improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure, 2 critical factors for kidney health. A blend of beet, cucumber, apple, and ginger makes a powerful detox drink. Number 5. Carrot juice. Carrots are packed with vitamin A and antioxidants. They reduce oxidative stress, protecting your kidneys from damage. Number 6. Leafy greens like spinach and kale. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with vitamins and plant compounds that fight inflammation. However, if you have advanced kidney disease, I advise you to talk to your primary care provider about potassium. Number 7. Berries. Why berries? These delicious, colorful fruits, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. These tiny fruits protect your kidneys while boosting your immune system. Number 8. Apples. An apple a day keep the doctor away may really help your kidneys. They're high in fiber, help balance blood sugar, and reduce inflammation. Number 9. Herbs like parsley and cilantro. These herbs act as natural diuretics. They help flush out extra fluids and support toxin elimination. Toss them into smoothies or salads. Number 10. Celery. Crunchy, refreshing, and hydrating. Celery supports digestion and helps reduce inflammation. Number 11. Oranges and other citrus fruits. Beyond the benefits of vitamin C, citrus fruits help reduce kidney stone formation. Whole fruit is better than juice. Fiber keeps blood sugar steady. Number 12. Herbal teas. Green tea, ginger tea, and hibiscus tea. They're full of antioxidants that support detoxification and reduce inflammation. Okay, so those are the foods and drinks. But lifestyle choices matter just as much. Here are 7 proven ways to keep your kidneys healthy. 1. Drink enough water. Not too little, not too much. Drink in moderation and follow the doctor's recommendations. Aim for 2 to 3 liters a day unless your doctor says otherwise. 2. Cut back on sodium. Too much salt raises blood pressure and strains the kidneys. Swap salty snacks for fresh fruits, veggies, and unsalted and less saturated snacks. 3. Control your blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the biggest causes of kidney damage. Exercise, manage stress, and eat heart-healthy foods. 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Extra weight means extra stress on your kidneys. Even small amounts of weight loss can make a big difference. 5. Prevent or manage diabetes. High blood sugar causes 5. Prevent or manage diabetes. High blood sugar causes kidney injury and can progress to kidney failure. Focus on balanced diets, avoid excess sugar and foods high in carbohydrates, and maintain blood sugar at normal levels. 6. Exercises. Before starting any exercise, it is always advisable to consult your healthcare provider. It doesn't have to be extreme. You can start small. A 30-minute walk, cycling, doing house chores, yoga, or swimming all improve your kidney and heart health. 7. Eat a kidney-healthy diet. That means whole foods, plant-based meals, and less processed junk. Avoid excess red meat and saturated fats. Here's a sample kidney-friendly day. Start your morning with lemon water. Have a smoothie with berries, spinach, and a banana. Drink cucumber water or green tea mid-morning. Lunch. A salad with apples, celery, and parsley. Snack on carrots or fresh fruit. Dinner. Light, low in sodium, with lots of veggies. Small daily choices like these add up to powerful kidney protection. Quick reminder, your kidneys are natural detox machines. You don't need expensive cleanses or gimmicks, but if you already have kidney disease, some foods, like high-potassium fruits, may not be right for you. Always check with your doctor or dietitian before making big changes. Let's recap. We covered 12 drinks and foods, like water, lemon, berries, herbs, and herbal teas. 7 lifestyle habits, like hydration, low sodium, exercise, and healthy weight. Your kidneys are priceless. Take care of your health today. Health is wealth. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone you love, and don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based health tips. Thanks for watching.